Proceed here now. Tell the officers.
Larger items such as laptops must be stowed away safely during taxiing, takeoff, and device gets damaged or produces heat or smoke. If you should lose your electronic device in your seat, do not move the seat and inform the cabin crew immediately. We would like to remind you that only alcohol served by the cabin crew may be consumed on board. Alcohol personally brought on board may not be consumed. Please fasten your seatbelt now as we are taking off.
The respective cabin sign has been turned off. Please open the baggage racks carefully as objects could fall out.